Hello, Paul Hamilton here. We're going to take a look at using augmented reality to learn about natural disasters and floods. So we're going to have a look at a new app called Floodlines that was brought out by the State Library Queensland. In 2011, Queensland faced some pretty horrific floods. Here's a little trigger image that you can download from their website. They've got about 10 to 15 of these trigger images, which are fantastic. And we're going to take a look at those today and have a look at this very unique augmented reality app that you can use with your students. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to open our Floodlines app. It's free. Links to it also are on the State Library website that I'll put at the bottom of this video. We're going to launch it and then we just hold it over the trigger image. So we're going to launch here. It'll open. This trigger image looks at South Bank, and you can see there that we've got a wonderful detailed 3D model that we can scan around here and have a look at different aspects of South Bank, which is in Brisbane. And down the bottom you can see a little timeline, and what we can do is we can actually push that along and the dates change, so when the flood hit, we've got an accurate recording of the different levels of the flood over time. So if I go to, say, Thursday, a little bit further, let's go to Thursday here, and then I pan up, I can actually have a look from a bird's eye view with this 3D model, all the different areas that were inundated from the Brisbane River. And I can look around the sides and different things like that. Now, this Floodlines app is fantastic. It's got about 10 to 15 different trigger images of the different areas around Queensland based on the 2011 floods. And I can see some really deep, rich, engaging activities that you could do with this stimulus. And you can see there's the water receiving as we go over time. Fantastic app brought out by the State Library in Queensland. Probably the only criticism I could have of it is the actual trigger image itself. I would have loved to have had an actual image that was actually not so QR code-ish and word-based and actually have pictures that morphed into the AR. But in saying that, the work that's gone into this has been amazing, and you can see there some fantastic detail. And by downloading these free trigger images, you can really explore the 2011 floods and the impact it had on Queensland.